Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is just a quick reference video that you can quickly access from your favorites or coin playlist or your liked videos or whatever. In the description there's going to be 3 separate timestamps that you can click on, and that'll bring you directly to the different tones of the 3 different commonly counterfeited coins that I'm going to be demonstrating the tones of. The authentic ones. So here we go. First up we have an American Silver Eagle. American Gold Eagle, 1 ounce. And a Morgan Silver Dollar. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it helped you out, make sure you hit the like button, share it around so it helps other people. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. I put out a new video every 3 days. That's all I got for today. Thanks a lot for watching.